Hey everyone, get ready to hop on board because today we're going on a whirlwind Easter adventure. We're talking about those excellent traditions people celebrate all around the world. From water fights to crime novels, Easter isn't just about bunnies and chocolate eggs everywhere. Though, let's be honest, those are pretty great, So grab your Easter baskets, put on your bunny ears and let's hop to it. Hold on to your Easter bonnets, folks, because in Poland, things get a little wet and wild. We're talking about Smigus Dingus, where on Easter Monday, boys chase girls with buckets of water, water guns, you name it. It's all in good fun, of course. Think of it as a giant water balloon fight to celebrate spring. Just don't wear your best clothes that day, unless you like them with a side of H2O. Now we're heading over to Norway, where they celebrate Easter with a little more mystery. Instead of bunnies and chicks, they've got crime novels. Yep, during Easter, Norwegians cozy up with a good whodunit for påskekrim. It's become such a beloved tradition that even TV stations get in on the action, airing crime shows all week long. Hey, who needs chocolate eggs when you have a good murder mystery to solve? Next stop, Spain. And let me tell you, they don't do Easter halfway. During Semana Santa or Holy Week, the streets come alive with incredible processions. We're talking elaborate floats, dramatic costumes, and a whole lot of passion. It's a deeply religious and cultural experience, and you can really feel the history and tradition in the air. It's definitely a sight to see. Chapter 4, Australia. Hopping mad for Bilbies. G'day, mates. We're heading down under to Australia, where they've replaced the Easter bunny with an Easter Bilby. Don't worry, it's not as strange as it sounds. The Easter Bilby is actually an adorable little creature native to Australia, and they've become a symbol of conservation. So, instead of chocolate bunnies, you might find chocolate Bilbies, all in the name of raising awareness for this endangered species. Now that's something to hop about. Chapter 5, Finland. Which way to the treats? Hold on to your broomsticks because in Finland, Easter gets a little witchy. Forget cute bunnies, kids in Finland dress up as Easter witches, no, really, and go door to door for treats. It's like Halloween, but with a spring twist. They even carry willow twigs decorated with feathers and colourful paper, kind of like Easter bouquets. Hey, who wouldn't want a little extra sweetness in their lives? Chapter 6, Bermuda. Up and away. Next stop, Bermuda, where Easter is a sight to behold, literally. They celebrate with colourful kites soaring through the sky. These aren't your average kites, though. They're beautifully crafted, often with long tails that dance in the wind. It's a tradition that symbolises Christ's ascension, and it's a beautiful way to celebrate faith and hope. Get ready for a bang, because in Florence, Italy, they celebrate Easter with a boom. We're talking about Scoppio del Carro, which translates to explosion of the cart. And yes, it's exactly as exciting as it sounds. A huge, decorated cart filled with fireworks is set off, creating a spectacular show of light and sound. It's meant to bring good luck for the coming year. And, of course, no Italian celebration is complete without a feast. Looks like Finland isn't the only country with a witchy Easter. In Sweden, they have a similar tradition called påskkäringar, where children dress up as witches, broomsticks and all, and go door to door, trading little paintings or drawings for sweets. It's a fun and festive way to celebrate, and who can resist those adorable little witches? I'd hand over all my candy. Hold on to your plates, because in Greece they celebrate Easter with a smashing good time. On the island of Corfu, people throw pots and pans out of their windows. Don't worry, it's not as chaotic as it sounds. It's actually a symbol of new beginnings and welcoming spring. Just maybe stand back if you're visiting. Well, there you have it. A whirlwind tour of some of the most unique and fun Easter traditions from around the world. Who knew Easter could be so adventurous? From water fights in Poland to crime novels in Norway, it seems like everyone has their own special way of celebrating this hopping holiday. Thanks for joining us on this journey around the world to explore these amazing Easter traditions. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more fun and fascinating videos. Happy Easter!
Don't forget to like and subscribe.